Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can crop and trim videos directly on your iPhone or iPad without using any third-party apps. So in the recent iOS 13 update from Apple, we now have the ability to crop and trim videos directly in the Photos app itself. So if you already haven't gone ahead and downloaded the iOS 13 update, you can easily do this by going into Settings. Now you can simply scroll down to General, and then go to Software Update. Now, once you're in here, you can just go ahead and download and install, which will bring you up to date with the most recent version of the iOS. So the next thing to do is just to go ahead and open up the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad device. Now, once you're in here, you just want to select the particular video that you would like to crop or trim. So I have a little video of a cat here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press Edit on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now, once I'm in here, I have multiple options from saturation, cropping, aspect ratio, and heaps of others. So if I just want to go ahead and actually crop the actual video size, I can just go ahead and do the little icon down the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. So once I'm in here, I can manually freeform the crop of the video and the size that I would like. Or alternatively, I can press on this icon on the top right-hand corner of the screen, and this will bring up all the different aspect ratios that I can select. So I can go to original, square, 9:16 ratio, 8:10 ratio, and the list pretty much does go on. So in this instance, I'm going to keep it to freeform, and then I can go ahead and click Done. And this will go ahead and save the changes. And also, if I want to go ahead and actually trim the video, I can go back into Edit. And right down here, we have all the different frames of the video and the arrows on either side. So if I just want to go ahead and trim the length of the video, I can drag this on either side. So I can just press and hold, and I can drag this. And I can also do this from the other side as well. And this will trim the length of the video. So say if I just want to keep it this length and just trim to the best parts, I can just go ahead and again press Done. And then this will save the changes onto my iPhone. So now I can go ahead and reopen that same video. And as we can see, the video size has changed and also the length as well. So there you have it guys, that's an awesome way on how to crop and trim videos on your iPhone and iPad device. So hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If you'd like to see any other content like this, please comment down below in the comment section, as I will be happy to make more videos for you guys out there. So as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.